I got the question from my student this morning. This is Mr. Dani, who asked me, what is natural number? Anasema natural number ni nini? Very good. First of all, natural number has another name. The other name is called counting number. It's called counting number. Watch this video so many times so as you can remember counting number. So you have natural number, which is also counting number, and whole numbers. You have to understand them for your level. We have whole numbers and natural numbers. Whole numbers, what are they? First of all, you cannot count by using whole numbers. You cannot count, but you can count by using natural number. Whole numbers, these numbers start from 0. 0, 1, 2, 3. 3 dots means they go infinity. It's forever. You can finish listing numbers here. These 3 dots means that. So here, whole numbers, the first number is number 0. Mtu akipata mtihani 100 umwambie kama imekuwa sifuri, hapana. Lakini the first number in whole number is number 0. That's why tukasema no, we have to come with another number, which is counting number, the number which we used for counting. In counting number, which is natural number, the first number is number 1. 1, 2, 3, 4. 3 dots also. So, natural number are counting number. We use them to count. The first natural number is number 1. The first whole number is number 0. Dani, now Ivana, and others, I'm sure you understood this one now. Natural number and even number. I can ask you, what is the smallest or at least the first 10 natural number? You start 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. At least the first 10 whole number, you start from 0. I'm sure I have answered your question. God bless you, Mr. Dani. Bye for now.